Now let's start the first lecture of our course today. It's introduction. Keep this here. Yeah. To our course. What's linear algebra? Linear algebra, by definition, is depends on something called linear equation. Linear equation, it's like what we can see here. It's invariable x1 to xn that we can write as a1 x1, a2 x2 plus an xn. So why it's linear? See here. Just a minute. As here we don't have any degree except degree 1. So for that reason we call this linear. So linear came from that means there's no exponential. Exponential just 1, 1, 1. So the name of linear, that's mean we don't have degree number 2, degree number 3, degree number 4, just we have degree number 1. So this is the name of linear equation. Okay. A1, A2, A3 is a coefficient and B is a number. Now this is first. A system of linear equation or linear system is collection of one or more linear equations. So we have either one equation or we have many equations. So this is called linear equations or linear system. Now, solution for this system. Solution for the system. The system, as we studied before at high school, has solution set. Okay, let's draw here on the solution. Yes, now it's correct. So we have two parts here. First one, we have solution. Another part, no solution. So for if we have solution, it is also two parts. Unique or one solution or many solutions. So for solution here, either we can say it, we have no solution for the system. Solution here, that means find values of x. Solution here means, okay, another bin, find values of x. This means of solution. So sometimes there is no solution. Another time we have solution, but either one solution or many solutions. So this is the definition of or solution of linear equation. Now in detail, let's go and see this more details. See here, my friends. Here, for example, I have two equations. So as you see here, we have one solution, this one, solution. So we have one solution. This is also equation 1, equation or linear equation 1, and this is linear 2. What another part? For other part, this is no solution. There is no cross. So see here, there is no solution. Okay, can move this here. Yeah, that's good. Here, another part, there is no solution, so there is no cross. Here we have many solutions. See, L1 over L2. So here we have many solutions. So in linear algebra equations, we have either one solution, no solution, or many solutions. It's by definition. By definition. Okay. So here, as I said before, a system of linear equation has no solution, or exactly one solution, or infinitely many solutions. Now, we'll use some names, and this name is important. Okay, by the way, I don't need this graph. Geometric is not included in the exam, just we have to solve. Okay. I will write again this in my way. So here I will write solution for the system. And here I have also two parts. What's the first name here? Constants. So I will write constant. And here, constant here, if there one solution or many solution. So constant here means I have solution. So the name constant. In constant, if there is no solution. So again, for solution we have either constant, I have solution either one or many. One or many. Inconstant if I don't have any solution, if there is no any solution. So again, for linear algebra solution, we can say constant if I have one or many. Inconstant if I don't have, or if there is no any solution, or the system hasn't any solution. Any question until now? It's clear for you? Should I repeat anything? Is it clear? Okay. Continuing this, now let's start to solve an example and see how we can solve this example. Okay, yeah. Here, for example, I have the system. First question, is the system linear or not linear? I will check there. X1, yes, 1, yes, 1, yes, 1, 1, 1, 1. So the system is linear system. Okay. How we can solve this system? First of all, I will write something called coefficient matrix. Or we have another name, I will tell you. What is coefficient matrix? Take this here, this here, this one here, and answer also. Same thing for equation 2, same thing for equation 3. So let's check, excuse me, give me a chance to check if I'm recording or not. I'm recording. Yes, I'm recording, so return back. Now, how we can solve this one? This is equation 1. Equation 2. Equation 3. With answers. In some boxes or in the internet, you can find this one, dash. That's me. This is coefficient and this is the answer. Also, you can use or not, up to you. This matrix called coefficient matrix. Or another name. What is another name? Let's see another page on another page. It's called augmented matrix. So you can use a coefficient matrix or augmented matrix. So what is augmented matrix of system? Consists of, yes, what's inside this one? Coefficient matrix with added column containing the constant from right side of the equation. So I prefer to use in your answer augmented matrix. So this is the augmented matrix. How we can solve this augmented matrix? Now, so first thing, you have to write augmented matrix. Okay, we did. How we can solve? I know you know. I know from high school you solve many example. You can cancel x1 with x2, and I know this. And you can use, for example, solve from down to up. I know this. But here in this course, we have another method. And this is very important method. Okay, let's see how we can solve this one. Okay, go here. Okay, matrix sides and okay. Here we have something called elementary Elementary, yeah. I heard someone think, see here, row. In one exam, I brought the question column. This is wrong. So all operations will be on the row. And in exam, excuse me, we must use this method, elementary row operations. What is this? Elementary row operation include, okay, what is included? The first order replacement. Read word by word. Replace one row by the sum of itself, okay, multiply of another row. Keep this later, I will explain. Interchange, I can interchange two row. Third one, multiply all entry in row by non-zero constant. which I'm explaining, I cannot understand this. Okay. مثلا here we will solve interchange. That means I can, if I have this matrix مثلا A P1, P2, P3, C1, C2, C3. So interchange means, see, how can I write? See, I will write like this. I will change مثلا R2 with R3. So what I will get like this: A1, A2, A3. Now change R2 with R2. So C1, C2, C3, P1, P2, P3. Okay, excuse me, this is wrong. The PowerPoint. Done. Okay. So see what I did? I changed for row, second row with the third row. Again, this is second bar, interchange. So I want 1, 2, 3. Here is wrong in your notes. So excuse me, correct. Here. It is 1, 2, 3. So this is interchange. Any question for interchange? Clear for you? Again, full row. Full row. Jamal, how are you, Jamal? Same question for scaling. I will cancel this. Scaling. Okay, give me also this eraser. Yes. How can I write scaling? Multiply all entries in row by non-zero. مثلا third R3. So I will write like this: A1, A2, A3, P1, P2, P3, C1 over 3, C2 over 3, C3 over 3. Is it clear about scaling? Again, non-zero. Constant. Not variable, constant number. Either complex number, any number, not variable. Third one is clear, I guess. Okay. Now, let's go. Can you repeat? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is my question. Repeat. Cancel this. Cancel this. See again. I will multiply third row, this one. So R3 with non-zero constant, for example, half. Now I will get now this one. I work it just on R3. So no change in R1, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. Got? Now working on R3. So it is C2 over 2, C1, sorry. C2 over 2, C3 over 2. Got it? Any question about this? This is the 3-row operation. Okay, thank you so much. Now, let's go the first one. I know I delayed for, because a little bit hard, and not hard, complicated. So you have to focus with this one. I will cancel this. Yes, we can multiply any row. Question again, Jamal. We can multiply any row with any constant. Correct? Yes, correct, Jamal. But we have, it's not random, we have steps. Wait, excuse me, Jamal. Now we are discussing the condition or the operation and how we can use this operation. Okay. Now this is finished. Last one, or the first one. Replace one row, مثلا R2. My eyes to R2. I'm working on R2. Okay. By the sum, so we have sum of itself R2 and multiply of another row. مثلا half or 2 R1. R1. Repeat again. Repeat again. Focus with me. I'm working with R2. So it's R2. This is my goal. One row by the sum of itself. So R2. And multiply of another row. مثلا minus R1. Clear how I did right? Hujam, can I change? No, you must use this. R2, so R2 plus sum. Hujam, can I use the minus? No. Multiply? No. Divide by? No. This is the rule. So R2, same R2 with a plus. This is constant. Then here we have operation. The result will be like this one. Okay. No change in R1, A1, A2, A3. I'm working with R2. So minus R1 minus A1 positive B1 minus A2 plus positive B2 minus A3 positive B3. No change in R3, so it's C1, C2, C3. Got it or repeat? It's clear or repeat? Okay, others. A little bit hard, and here we have a lot of mistakes. So see again, excuse me, and tell me. Any question about this? Okay. Now, we finished this. This is called, okay, now how we can start to solve. Yeah, excuse me, your coffee with me and start to solve. It's easy if you understand the steps. And excuse me, this lecture is the most important lecture because if you cannot understand this one, you will not continue in this course from now. So let's start with this lecture. Solve this example. Question is solve this example. Okay. First of all, I will write here, write augmented matrix. Okay. Easy, Hujam. It is 1 minus 2, 3, 7, 2, 1, 1, 4, minus 3, 2, minus 2, minus 10. Okay? Okay, easy. After that, how we can solve. So after writing the augmented matrix, in my opinion, I have to know. Okay, bring this pink. I need, see my hand, I need this, and this to be 0. In another way, see the idea. I need elements under main diagonal to be 0. This is called main diagonal. Why is this 0? See arkadaşlar. This is, by the way, x1. This is x2. This is x3. Okay, x3. So if I make this 0, so this is 0, this is 0. So here I have minus 2x3 will equal the result, مثلا. So I can find x3, then I can return back. Repeat the idea. Repeat the idea. Repeat the idea. I need all elements under main diagonal to be 0. So this, as you see here, this is x1. This is x2. This is x3. So here, from the last equation, I don't have x1, x2. I have just x3. I can find x3. Then I can use the formula here to find x2. Then from here, I can find x1. Idea is clear or repeat? So I will find x3. Then I will use x3 to find x2. Okay, I will repeat. Then I will use x1, x3, and x2 to find x1. Repeat again. Okay, thank you so much. Let's clear everything and rewrite the formula again. Here, I will rewrite the augmented matrix. So, excuse me, keep with me. 1 minus 2, 3, 7. I guess now this is easy. 2, 1, 1, 4, minus 3, 2, minus 2, minus 10. This is, I have x here, x, y, z, or x3. So this is called x1, x, y, z. Idea, my idea is, see, my idea is, I need all, this is main diagonal. A11, P1, A22, A33 from matrix. So I need these numbers, see this to be 0. So from that, I have this مثلا here, minus 2x3 equal minus 10. So x3 equal 5. I will use this number here. I have x3 or z, here we are using z. So I can find y. From here to here, I can find x1. Okay, give me a chance. We will solve this problem daily. But the idea is, see the idea, repeat the idea. I need all numbers under the main diagonal will be 0. Okay, let's start to solve. And if there is a question, we will tell you during the class. So see here, this one. I will write the formula. Okay, take this. This is the formula. I will use my method. Okay, give me this. Take here. Yes. Copy. Let's go to the painter. And we'll use the painter. Okay, let's do this. Okay, now we have augmented matrix now. How we can solve that one? Again, as I told you before, I need this to be 0. How we can start? Hojam, we have three ways. I can interchange two rows. I can multiply any row with number, constant number. I can add a number to my row. I know. So see my hand. This is the most important method. If you want to solve, use 1, 2, 3. This order. And here, see what this is. I cannot start here. I can not start with 0. So if you have 0 here, change it. How can I change? I can change row with row. So first thing, here shouldn't be 0. Here, this element shouldn't be 0. If it's 0, change R with R. Now, how we can solve? Let's start. I will work with first one, 2. So, okay, see my hand. I will multiply. I'm working with R2. So it's R2. R2 plus. If I multiply this one with minus 2, R1, what will happen? See the answer here together? Working with R2, so it is 1 minus 2, 3. Okay, no change. And here we have 7. You can keep this or cancel this, up to you. Now, I'm working with R2. Okay, so take care to work with all elements in R2. So minus 2 with 2, it is 0. So idea here, I have 2. I need to cancel this one. So also from R1, I have 1. So minus 2 with 1, it's minus 2. Minus 2 with positive 2, it is 0. Got the idea? Got the idea or repeat? Others, any question? So I want to cancel 2. How can I cancel 2? I'm thinking I have 1. 1 with minus 2, it is minus 2 with 2, it's 0. Okay, now, same thing. I have here minus 2. Minus 2 with minus 2, it is positive 4, huh? Minus 2 with minus 2, it's positive 4. With 1, it is 5. Got? Minus 2 with 3, it is minus 6. With 1, it is minus 5. Correct to me if there is a wrong. Minus 2 with 7, it is minus 14. With 10, it is 10. Correct, Jamal? Is it correct? Why we choose minus 2? Okay, good question. See here. Here I have 2. I want to make 0. How can I make 0? I have here 2. I have 2. How can I make this? I will go here. 1 with minus 2, it is minus 2. Minus 2 with 2, it is 0. I want this and this and this to be 0. Got the idea? Who asked me? Irfan, got the idea? Isn't minus 10, sir? Just a minute. Just okay, check. Minus 10. Yes, thank you so much. Yes. Correct to me. And مع الأسف here, if I made any mistake, it is minus 10. Correct now? Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah, excuse me, keep with me. And this is the problem with linear algebra. If there is a mistake, still a mistake with you. No change with R3, so okay, minus 3, 2, minus 2, minus 10. Okay, now this is done. I want to change this. So how can I change this, Hujan? If I multiply, see, 1 with minus 3, 1 with minus. So usually you are focused about 1. You are working about 1. Thank you so much. Yes, Jamal. I'm working with R3. I change with R3 plus 3 R1. Thank you so much. I guess you got the idea. Okay, how we can make this, keep this below, and let's solve together. No change in R1 and R2, so same, it's 1, minus 2, 3, 7, 0, 5, minus 5, minus 10. Now here you are. A 3 with 1 is 3, minus 3, it is 0. Thank you. Now, 3 with minus 6, 2 is minus 6. Minus 6 with 2, it is minus 4. Correct, Jamal? Kareem, correct? Yeah. Help me, excuse me. Now, 3 with 3, it is 9. 9 with minus 2, it is 7. 3 with 7, it's 21. 21 minus 10, it is 21. It's 11, correct? Yeah. Correct, Jamal? Yes. Now we close. Now, let's now think. Mission completed here, yes. Here, yes. Now here. We are here. Just a minute. Who asked me? Abdurrahman. See, Abdurrahman. Here it is minus 3. I want to cancel this minus 3. So I will, if I multiply with this number and add to here, it will be nothing. 0 with any number 0. So I will return back to 1. 1, 3, R3, 3. 3 with 1 is 3. 3 positive minus 3, it is, the result will be 0. I need this and this and this to be 0, main diagonal. See this? I need this and this and this to be 0. Got the idea, Abdurrahman? So I did the first one from R1. I used R1. Also, now second number from R1. Now what about third number? Here we are. Got or repeat? Okay. How we can deal with third number? Bring the pen. This here. And I want to cancel now here. My eyes here. I will use 1. No. I will use R2. R3. R3 positive. Here I have 5. Here I have minus 4. If I multiply, just let's think. I need here my negative. I need positive. I need just a minute. 5 over 4. That's correct. 5 over 4. No, nothing. So we can solve. Just a minute. Let's check. 2R2. Yes, not 2. Here I have 5. I need from 5. 4 over 5. Yes. 4 over 5. Then R2O3. Do you think is correct? Let's check. Okay, let's check about this one. We can, for example, uniform. مثلا multiply this with 4, multiply this with 5. You can. Okay, I will use another method. Okay, to uniform this one. Okay, I know it's correct. Just a minute. I know it's correct, but we can here we have many methods. مثلا, for example, Jan can solve in one way. Me, I can solve another. I will use now this one. If I multiply R2 with 4, R3 with 5, let's check. Now it's 1 minus 2, 3, 7, 4, 0. 4 with 5, it's 20. 4 with minus, it's minus 20. 4 with minus, it's minus 40. Now 5, this is 0. 5 with, it's minus 20. Yes. 5 with 7, 5 with 35. 5 with 11, it's 55. Correct, sales, Jan, is correct. Now, if I want to solve, it's easy now, I guess, to avoid any problem. I will use R3 for R3 positive R2. Correct? Yeah. See, to avoid to use a fraction, you can use this one. Okay, let's solve together. Okay, just a minute. Tick, 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 tick. Anybody inside university? It is 1 minus 2, 3, 7. It is 0, 20, minus 20, minus 40. Now take care. 20 with 20, bye-bye, 0. Minus 20 with 35, it is 15. Now 14 with 15, it is 15, correct? Mathematicians, it's correct? Is it correct or not? Thank you, Firat. Thank you, John. Thank you, Mustafa. Yeah. Now let's check our conditions. Done. Yes. Done. Thank you. Done. Done. How I can solve? This is, as I said before, this is x1, x2, x3. Now I start from down to up to solve. So from here, 15 x3 equal 15. Now x3 equal 1. Now here, from here, minus 20 x2, positive 20 x2, minus 20 x3 equal minus 40. x3 is 1, so I will use this one here. 1, 20 here, just a minute. So it is x2, if I can space, equal minus 40, positive 20, it is minus 20 over 20, so it is minus 1, correct? You can solve at your home. I guess now it's easy for you. Now for first one, it is x1 equal, here x1 minus 2x2 positive 3 x3 equals 7. I will use these numbers here. x1 it is 7 minus or positive now 2x2 minus 3x3. Yeah, put the numbers here. x2 it is minus 1, so it is minus 2. Here minus 3, it is minus 3. Minus 3 with minus 2, it is minus 5, so it will be 2. Correct? Is it correct? Yeah. So now x3, x1, to check. Yeah, x3 is 1, Jamal. 15 over 15. So how we can check this? Now I have here, I guess, final result, make in this box. x1 is 2, x2 is minus 1, x3 is 1. So let's return to our formula to check 1, x2, so 2 with 1, it's 2, 2 minus 5, minus 2 with minus 2, it is minus 4, 3 with 1 is 3. You have to verify from this one. Or put this number in the formula and check if it's correct or not. So x1, 2 with 2. I guess we have to check. But I guess if there's any mistake, excuse me, in numbers, I guess it's easy for you. That's hard. So excuse me, forgive me if there is any mistake for number. Did you get the idea? Did you get the idea for this example? Here the question. Did you get the idea? Easy or hard? Easy or hard? Okay, I hope it's easy. So if you get this idea, you will pass this course. Final part, just who is Jamal? Just put the numbers on side each one. I will explain the last one. But by the way, let's take capture for this one. Just give me chance. I will make capture for results. Where is it? Here. Save. Desktop. Okay for me. Now, how we can check? It is 1 minus 1, 2. Close this. No. clean this. Let's check our book. What is the result? I guess in our book they solve it. Not full solved. See, in your book they didn't solve, for example. Okay, I will return back here. It is 1 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 1, it is 1. Correct? So it is 2 positive minus 1. So positive 2, positive 3 equals 7. Yes, correct. So our answer is correct. Got the idea? Jamal, this is the last part. So another one, let's go here. It is 2 positive or minus 1 positive, just a minute, 2 here, 2 with 2, it's 4. Yeah, equal. This with this, so it is 2 with 2, it's 4. It's 4. Yes, correct. Now, minus 3 with 2, this is x. This is y. And this is z, or x3. So positive minus positive 2 with minus 1, minus 2 with 1. Okay, let's check. Minus 3 with 9, it's minus 6, minus 2, minus 2, it is minus 10. It's correct. So we correct the answer. And here our system is constant. And we have one solution. Is it clear? At home, you must solve by your hand. See, in our book, he worked it random, but I gave you that direct way. You cannot find in your book. This is from me. Also, on the internet, you can find, I guess, like this. How you can solve this directly. 1, 2, 3 bu kadar yeter. Clear? Yeah. Now, let's go to another example. Here, this example, solve the system. I guess now it's easy for you. In exam, I will not accept this. Old example. Here you have to write augmented matrix, then solve. See, this is 0, so finished. Just I have to handle this 1 and this 2. For example, if I solve it, مثلا 1, 2, 3, it's hard for you can solve. So idea 1, 2, 3. Is it clear? 1, 2, 3. Don't skip. Don't change. It's easy for you. You can do what you want to do. But my advice, 1, 2, 3 to finish. Steps. Is it clear? I hope yes. Now, let's see our book. In our book, or in other books, they are working to get like this. What is this, champ? In some boxes or some instructor ask you to solve and they'll get this one. 1, 1, 1, and here you have to get 0. Here you have to get 0. So here, this is x1, this is x2, this is x3. In exam, my advice, don't use this one. It's correct but long, so you need time. Where can we solve it? In our book, we have many. Just a minute. So see, in exam, you must stop in this one, مثلا. If you got like this, see, if you got like this, stop. This is x3, this is x2, and this is x1. Augmented matrix. Augmented matrix. Solve. Okay, got the name of Abdurrahman? So also, if you have any question, you can email me, for example, and you can come to my office if I am at my office to solve this one. Clear? Or send by email, I will check and tell you. Clear for you? Now, So stop here. Don't continue to be 1, 1, 1. No. Stop here and solve to find x1, x2, and x3. Some instructor or some boxes ask solve like this to be 1, 1, 1. So could you give us email? I will give you just a minute. So this is x3 directly. This is x1 directly. Sorry, x2 and this x1. But it's long and you can many mistakes. So again, I advise stop if you got just x3 a value, x2 a value, and x1 a value, and you can solve by your hand. Clear? You shouldn't until here. You can stop from here, and this is the idea. Things either multiply this with 3 or third. I prefer, wallahi, to multiply the first one just to make clear this. Give me this, yes, here. Close this. I will multiply R2 with 3 minus. So, okay, close this, repeat again. Just a minute to open. Okay, this, repeat. 3, 1, minus 2, 2, 1, minus 2, 1, 3. You can solve with me, if excuse me, if you want, minus 3, 3. Now, R2, R2. Okay, it's not clear. R2 with 3 minus, so it is 3, 1, minus 2, 2, minus 3, positive 6, minus 3 with 3, it's minus 3, minus 3 with 3, it is minus 9, no change in 3. Is it clear? Now I want to cancel this. So how I can solve together? It is here R2 positive R1. Just a minute, Abdurrahman. Because I want to cancel 3 with minus 3. So it is 3, 1, minus 2, 3, minus 3 with 3, it's 0. Now 1 with 6, it is 7. Minus 2 with minus 3, it is minus 5. 3 with minus 3, it's minus 6. No change in the 3, minus 1, minus 2, 3. Is it correct? No. My eyes will be here, 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 here. Okay, together. Here 2, here 3. I can, if you want, you can use this one, up to you. R2, R1 with minus 2. Just a minute here. R3 with 3. Then we can solve this one here. Minus 2, it's minus 6. Minus 2. Positive 4. You can use, quickly, wait. Minus 2 with 3, it's 6. Minus 6. You can solve with many methods. 7. Up to you. Just a minute. Wait. Give me chance. Minus 5, minus 6. 3 with R2, so it's 6. 3, it's minus 3. 3 with me, it's minus 9. 3 with 3, it is 9. Correct now? Guys, it's correct? Now, let's continue. Let's start to continue. Now, R3, positive R1. It's 2. Which one 2? Later you can solve. Excuse me, just wait. Just a minute here. No, here 3. This is 2 here, finished. Now this is 3. Just a minute, minus 3. Quickly. No, 3. It's 3. That's change in R1. Is there any problem, sirs? Would you check with me? Mustafa. Check again. Yes, we didn't change R1, so it's R1 same. Here I changed. Mustafa, later you solve at home. Okay. Now, R1 or R3, it's 6 minus 2, 4 minus 6. No change here, 0, 7, minus 5, minus 6. Here, minus 6 is 0. Minus 2 with minus 3, it's minus 5. 4 with 9, it's minus 5. Minus 6 with 3, excuse me, go. Minus 6 with 3, it is 3. Last one in the first row, 2 shown in the matrix. This is 3. Minus, okay. Okay, here, okay, I made a mistake. Here, correct now? Correct now? Okay, now let's work with you now. Minus 3, okay, here, okay, I see, tamam, here it's 2, correct? 2 minus, so it is minus 4. Okay. Minus 4, it's correct together. Minus 4. Now with this one, it should be not this. Minus 4 with 9, it is 5. Correct? Stop. Is correct now? Okay. Now, last number will be here. This I want to cancel. So, okay, can we, where is it? Take this, continue here. I will multiply R2, R3, R2 with 7, R2 with 5, R3 with 7. Can? Yes, can. 9, 6, 2 minus 2, 4 minus 6. Then here 5 with R2, 0, no change. 5 with 7, it's 35. 5 with minus 5, it's minus 25. 5 with minus 6, minus 30. Close. 0, same. 7 with minus 5, it's 35 in negative. 7 with minus 5 is 35 in negative. 7 with 5 is 35. Correct, Mustafa? Jamal? Okay, minus. Oh, I made mistake. Okay. Thank you so much. Again, same problem. Here the problem with linear algebra. If you have mistake, it's still mistake. Now I guess it's correct. Last thing, R3 positive R2. So it is minus 6, minus 2, 4 minus 4, 0, 35, minus 25, 30. Now, 0 is 0, 0, 35, 0, minus 25 is correct. Check, yes. With 35, with minus. Okay, 60. I don't know. Minus 4, it's minus 39, I guess. Oh, no. 31. I don't know, maybe there's a mistake. I don't know this mistake, but you have to check again. Any sign will change the result. So here was the problem. Just tell me. Cool. I guess we have a problem. Just wait. R1 plus R2 and R2. So 3, 1 minus 1, 2, 0, 7 minus 5. Just a minute. Here we have a problem. Yes, we have a problem. This one. R1 plus R2 in R2. So 2 with minus 9, it's minus 7. Correct now? Allah, you are not with me. Here is. Let's go here. So let's work here, I guess. 5 with 7, it is 35. Now we have here 35. Here it should be 35 with minus 35 with 30, it's 0. Okay, now I guess correct. So see the last again. I guess you got how we can solve this one, and easy for you. It's easy method for you. Can you understand this method? Again, excuse me. After this lecture, return back to the record of video and start to solve again by your method. Is it clear? Any question for this? No. Let's see our book. In our book also we solved the same example, but in another method, and we found the result. I want to stop here. Here he continued here, but I want to stop. Where is stop? Hojam, it's another result. Yes, I know it's another result. You can stop here, for example. Here, stop here. Not here, no, not here. Stop here. It is one number. Stop here. So let's discuss this case. I have on, especially for last row. Yeah, I have here 0, 0, n equals 0. In here, any number not 0. So 0, 0, in 0, that's mean n equal, here x equals 0 over this number. That means n equal 0. Correct? So if I have now 0, I'm talking about last row, especially last row. 0, 0, n 0 equal here 0. That's mean here n equals 0. Okay, why is this? That means there is solution here. And the solution is for this n or for x is 0. Okay, 0, 0, number 0. What is this number, Abdul Mu'min? Here it's minus 20 over 7. x3 equals 0. What is x3? Equals 0. Clear? This is here number. This is coefficient. x3 in this case equal 0 over n. That means 0. Got it, Abdul Mu'min? Abdul Mu'min. Yeah. Now, continue with our book. Now we have to go to special cases. Oh, here. Here, see, z is 0. 0, 0, 1, 0, that makes 0. Now, if the system constant, that means we have at least one solution. I explained. We have many or we have one. If solution exists, that means the only one, there is mean solution. Okay. Let's go to solve this example again. You can solve at your home details. Now x1, and we have to solve the example. I want to discuss the cases. See, in this case, after solving this example, your eyes here. That's correct, yeah. Focus here. See here, 0, 0, x3 equal 1. That's mean x3 equal 1 over 1. That's mean 1. So we have unique solution. Okay, good. Let's go to another case. Hujami told us we have many solutions. This example determine the following system. See, here we started with 0. This is strong. If we started with 0 again, what we have to change? Change R1 with R2. Very important. 2 minus 3 to 1, then 0, 1 minus 4, 8, then minus 4 minus 8, 12, 1, and continue. So this is a special case. Got the idea? If we have like this, you have to change the row. Now, continue to solve this example after change the row. I will go and see the last result. Here, if you want to solve, you can solve at home. I explain the method. I will discuss the result. You can do what you want to do, but what's your name, Jamal? Jamal, again, repeat. Here I need, here in if I will change, just a minute. 2 minus 2, 3, 1, 0, 1 minus 4, 8. Here I need 1 0. In R3, I need 2 zeros. So for that reason, I changed R1 with R2. Got the idea why I changed with R2? Okay, thank you so much. Now, let's go ahead in this one. And let's discuss the result. After solving this example, we have this. Again, your eyes for last row. Because this is the basic for us, the introduction for us. 0, 0, 0, 15. That's mean x1, 0, x2, 0, x3 equal 15. Is it correct, Jamal? Is it correct, Abdul Mu'min? 0, 0, 0 equal 15? Is this correct, logically correct? 0 equal 15? No. So here we can say no answer. This is wrong. So here there is no answer. So if I have, see, now let's discuss for solution. First case, constants. Just a minute, let me change this one. For constants, we have many. We have 1. Okay, bring this to another part. Now, we discussed 1. 1, see, 0, 0, in 0. 0, 0, in equal 0. That's me here in equal 0 or number. We will use this number. Use number. This is number. So n equal or x equal here number over n. Now, for no solution or inconstant, I will use the same book of your book. Inconstant, I have like this. See my hand. 0, 0, 0 equal number. This is wrong. No answer. So 0, 0, 0 equal number, no answer. 0, 0, n equal number, that's mean we have answer. Now what about last case? Many answers. How we can go to many answers. I will continue in your book. I will cancel this, keep this table in your brain, and go ahead. Now, if I want to solve this example, see this one. Oh, what is this? After solving this example, I have like the last row. Last row here is, see this? Meaning if I got 0, 0, 0 equal 0. So here, just a minute to discuss x1, x2, x3, x4. Okay, so it's 0 x1 plus 0 x2 plus 0 x3 plus 0 x4. I don't need those. I will cancel those. I need the last one because I will start from x3. So let's discuss this case. Just a minute. Okay, this doesn't work. I will repeat again. Here. 0 x3, and that's x4. This is the answer. Equal 0. Oh, x3 here is, if I use 1 is correct, if I use 2 is correct, if I use minus 1 is correct, if I minus 1. So x3 here called free variable. I can use any value for x3. I can use 1, I can use 3, I can use 4, I can use infinity, I can use minus infinity. So it's a free variable. This is called mini solutions. So if I got 0, 0, 0 equals 0, this is mini solutions. And we call this one as free variable. For one solution, it's 0, 0 in. Also, you can, this is here included 0. One solution. 0, 0, 0 equal number. That means no solution because it's wrong. So, give the idea or repeat. So, again, we have 3 cases for answer, as explained before. One solution, 0, 0 in equals 0 or number. That means x equal number over n. Hujam, this number is 0, correct? 0, 0 over n, 0. Finished. Now, many solutions 0, 0, 0 equals 0. I can, your eyes for x3. I can use 1, I can use 2, I can use 3, I can use 4, I can use minus infinity. So I can use I. So it is correct. So we can say for x3 is a free variable. Up to me. So this case is called mini solutions. Now, there is no solution in constant 0, 0, 0 equal number. It's not correct, logically wrong. So here we can say there is no answer. Got the idea? Is it clear for you? Okay. This is the most important lecture. If you understand this one, next week we need 30 minutes, not more. If you understand this idea. Because I will tell you based on augmented matrix. Hujam, what is augmented matrix? Return to the lecture 1. Clear? So excuse me, today at your home, try to solve example about augmented matrix. In your book, I selected some equations you can solve and see the result. How can I see it? Take the result and put in the equation if it's correct or not. Clear this? Again, if you finish, take photo for this and keep in your idea. I will take photo for myself. This is for me. Also save on my desktop. Now, see here, this is called free variable, and about this result, so x3 we can call free variable. Any question about this? In your book, there's some systems or some questions you can solve for this one. Also, this PDF you can find on your books. Any question about our lecture today? Is it easy or hard for you?